Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. So in today's video, I have this spacious 2 BHK flat for sale in Bengaluru. Overall, the flat is spread across 1966 square feet of super built up area and has got 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 2 open balconies. It's an G+4 structure building and the flat is located on the first floor with facing east direction and overlooking garden. The apartment is unfurnished with vitrified flooring, ceramic tiles, marble and granite options. Top educational institute, shopping centers, transportation hubs and major commercial centers are very much nearby from the project site. The flat is located in a gated society with features such as intercom facility, lifts, maintenance staff, security personnel, children's play area, shopping centers, gym, clubhouse, rainwater harvesting and many more. The entire project occupies an area of 3 acres with more than 200 plus families already residing in here. So folks, this spacious 2 BHK flat is for sale from the direct owner and is situated in a prime residential area near Kengeri-Mysore road in west part of Bengaluru. And the asking price for this flat is 89 lakhs, slightly negotiable. That's it from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful.